presenting the GMC 2022 Sierra 1500 Limited Pro. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: preferred equipment group 1SA, 3.42 rear axle ratio, auto-locking rear differential, wheels, 17x8 silver painted steel, wheels, 17x8 bright silver painted aluminum, front 40/20/40 split bench seat, vinyl seat trim, 10-way power driver seat adjuster with lumbar and heavy-duty suspension. This vehicle shows low mileage and is a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.